Let's check. Are you done with the download? If you are done, just click on it. Yes. Anything that is showing up now, you'll be yes, next, okay, finish. That's what you'll be clicking. Don't click anything cancel, please. Next, 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 next. Good. Leave it. Finish, yeah. Click on it. Now, once you are done with the console, still go to your web browser. Just type RStudio. RStudio. Yes, RStudio. At that search icon, just type RStudio. RStudio download. RStudio download. You see this. Post it with their icon like X. Yes, the first one. Yes, RStudio desktop. Click on it. Now you can see the first one is to install R. The second one is to install RStudio. As I said earlier, this studio cannot work if you do not install the console first. The first one is the R console. Now you click on this. Click on download RStudio. 265 MB. So you have to exercise patience. Click save or open. Yeah. Okay, since I have it already, I won't wait for it to download complete. So I have to cancel mine. Yeah? You wait for your own to download complete. Just check that download icon to see if it is moving at all. It's still downloading. Okay, while we wait for it, R was developed by two statisticians with the core aim of running analysis. And the two guys that developed statistics, that developed R, are Rose Inhiaka. You think it is an Igbo name? It's not an Igbo name. Rose Inhiaka and Robert Gentleman. Now, if you look at the two names, Rose and Robert, start with R. So they decide to use their first letter of their name. That's how the word R come into place. And it was developed through S programming. You have S programming. So they use S programming to write R. I think in the year 1994, the first version was 0.5. And today we have version 4.4.2, which is what we just downloaded now. And this R Studio is like the IDE. Flexible, you can see your charts at one side. I've shown you before. Look at it here. Now, if I want to know the version, I will just type r.version. 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 It will show up. Okay, look at it here. You see it? Platform, OS, system. Then look at the 442 here. The first 4 is known as major. That's the first 4. Then 4.2 there is the minor. So what we are using now is R version 442. And each version have their nickname. Each version have their nickname. This one is pile of leaves. If you download version 3. Or 4.41 or 4.0, the nickname will be different from this one you are seeing here now. Are you following? And this R is mainly used for statistical purposes. That is the objective of building R. And R and Python have the largest community so far in the IT space. R and Python, they are the two bigger community we have now. Okay, check your download, please. R also have a server where you can work on your project without you downloading R. Now let's look at it while you wait for the download. Let me create a new tab. Now type rstudio.cloud. Just RStudio Cloud or .cloud. Now look at it here. The same POSIT is hosting it. The same POSIT cloud is hosting it. Where you get the window studio. Now if I click on it, you see my workspace because I have account there already. I have account there already. So you see my workspace. You can see it, Henry Gwebe. That's my name. Look at it here. So these are my works. Chinaza messy to clean. This is where I run data cleaning. Parameter estimation for Sujata distribution. My project. Then this one is my client project. And this one is, so all these stuff, you can see it is private. So I can make it public, send you the link just like a Word document, this thing, Google Drive, Google document stuff, yeah. You can access it. As a matter of fact, I think I will use this platform to access your assignment. This is where you'll be working. You do your assignment, you send the link to me, I will access it and grade you. So your first task is to sign up. That will be your first task. Not now. If you go home, use your phone, sign up. Check your download. Is it complete? Okay. So by default, the R Studio is white color in background. Click OK. Leave it. You can minimize all those things there. You are done with them. Okay, okay. Good. We are good to go. Let me see yours. Click on it. Yes. Okay. Next, 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 next. That's all. So you go back and type R Studio download. R Studio download. You click here. Yes, yes. It's downloading. You can see that. Okay. Yes, click yes. Okay. Now let's go through the R Studio, the interface, and do some setups. Now look at mine. As I said earlier, I love working with dark themes. That's why I set it up like this. Now if you want yours to be like that, just go to tools. Go to tools, scroll down to that global options. You can see global options. Click on it. Just wait, my own is still show up. Okay, now look at it here. Now go to appearance. Go to appearance. Our studio theme. Yes, click on appearance. Click on it. The first one is our studio theme. You see modern, you see sky. Now anything you do, you see the sample here. Anything you do, you see the sample here. Now let me click on sky. Editor font, you can change yours to italics or normal, anyone. You have plenty of them here. Then Font size. You can change your own. You can increase or decrease. No, you can put anything there. It depends. It's your choice. Font size, you can increase it 14, 11, 10, depending. Yeah? Was it? Okay. Now look up. If I click on tomorrow, editor theme, you see the background is white. Now this is where you pick tomorrow night. You see the background? So if you like working with dark background or dark theme, this is where to change it. Anything you do, it will show up here. Once you are done, you click apply. Yeah? I don't want to alter anything now. But if you like, you can click apply. If you like, you can maintain the white theme, the default color, which is white. So that's it. For those joining us, you start from here to download your R. Open your web browser, click R download. You first download the R console. And this is where we'll be hosting our assignment. If I give you assignment, this is where you do it. The online platform. You can see my name there, Henry Gwebe. And these are some of my works, both the one I do for people and my personal own. You can even have group work. You can see project space. More than, you can see group icon here. Are you following? You can see group icon here. So as a team lead, you can add up your group. Now for the free version, it has free version and paid version. For free version, you only accommodate 5 people. Yeah? You only accommodate 5 people. Then for paid version, you can accommodate like 15, 10, depending how large your project is. So for now, I'm using my workspace. You can see only single head there, the icon, meaning your personal own. Yeah? If you click on it, now again, you can see everything is private, meaning that if I send you this link to access my work, you will not see it until I make it public. Are you following? You will not see it until I make it public. Okay, let's go back to our R studio. Okay, we are going to start with operators in R. Operators in R. R operators can be categorized into 5 key groups: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operator, logical operators, and special operators. Now we are going to start with the arithmetic operators in R. Okay. These are the arithmetic operators. The addition operator, we use the addition sign for it, which are 2 or more numbers. Example, 2 plus 3 will return 5. Subtraction operator, you use your normal subtraction sign, which returns 5 minus 3. This is minus, it's a mistake. 5 minus 3 will return 2. Then multiplication operator, multiply 2 or more numbers, like 2 times 3 will return 6. Division, the same thing. Then exponentiation for raising numbers to a particular power, like 2 raised to power 3, which means 2 times 2 times 2, which will give us 8, multiplying 2 into 3 places. We have modulus operator. Look at the symbol, percentage symbol for modulus. This returns remainder of a division operation. Example, 17 modulo 5 returns 2, meaning 17 divided 5 will give me 3, remainder 2. So our interest is in the what? The remainder. So if your interest is in the remainder, you make use of this modulo symbol, percentage symbol. Are you following? Modulus is if you want to get remainder after division. Example, 15 divided by 3 is 5, share, without any remainder, meaning that our remainder there is 0. So 15 modulo 5 is 0. No remainder, that's what it means. But 17 modulo 5 is 2. How? 17 divided 5 will give us 3. Remainder 2. So if your interest is in the remainder, you make use of this percentage symbol. I follow you now. Good. Now, if your interest is to get the integer, not the remainder, you make use of this one, percentage division percentage. It is called integer division. It's used to perform integer division where the result is truncated to an integer. Example, 17 percentage divided percent 5 returns 3. Now you see the difference between this one and this one. This one gets the remainder, while this one gets the first number, the whole number first, and leave the remainder. Are you following? Yeah? Now look at the exercise. We are going to do this now in our R. Now before we start, I want you to do something. Go to minimize your R. Minimize everything. Just click on that minus. Click on minus to minimize. Good. Now look here. Right click on your mouse. You see new. I want to create a new folder. What I want to do now is to set up my working directory. That's the first thing you will do if you're working on any project, so that you not start looking for your work. Are you following? So that you can easily access your work or your client's work, anyone. Just create a folder for the person. Now, click on folder. Now I want to type, I will save this with data science training. Just type data science training or DS training. Anyone? DS training. Okay. Now this is in my desktop. Now let's go back to R. Are you there? Go back to your R. Go back to your R studio. Your R studio. No, no, no. The offline. The desktop R studio. Okay, it's already installed now. Yes. So once the two of them is done downloading, you first install normal app. This one app. Yes. First install it before that one. Otherwise, that one will not work. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. No, if you have phobia for mass, you can still do it. You are not doing the calculation. It's the computer. Yes. So the mass is like back end, while this one is just like the front end. Forgot you're supposed to come with your laptop self. I swear. Let's. You said? Okay, the data science is all about analyzing data and building model with the data. Then you forecast with the data. Three things: you analyze, you build, and you forecast. Just these three. Okay? Like, for instance, now you see UNICEF or WHO telling us that death rate in 2030, we are still in 2025. 2030 will increase by so percent. It's not a prophecy. It's what they saw through what they see through their model. So when they see such thing through the model, they will launch a program like sharing of mosquito nets or subsidizing malaria drugs, some certain malaria drugs. You understand? Not to reach to that extent. So once you do your forecast, you start now to carry out your projects. So that's it. No, it's going. Check it here. This download icon. Look at it. It's like this thing is slow. 62 MB. Your network, this network is slow. Once it's done, then that's studio. Yeah. Okay. Anything you see, just click OK. No, just click OK. No touch anything, okay? It's coming up. Click yes. Now go to your desktop and create a folder, data science training. Good. So I'm going to show you how to link it up in your R as your working directory. So while waiting for it, I downloaded two. I see this one now. Then just type RStudio so that the phone can download the chat. Now see desktop, post it. This symbol. The first one is symbol of R. Like X. Yeah? Click on it. See, first one. As I said earlier, you cannot use this until you use this. You cannot use Studio until you download this one. That's why they showed number 1 and number 2. Yeah? So since we have downloaded this one through the Arrow website itself, that one that have Arrow symbol, just go here and download this. Check it up here. That download icon. Wait for it. Just minimize. You have to be check here. When you green, I show it in one again. Okay. Let's create our working directory. While waiting for your download, create folder, go to desktop, create folder, data science training. Okay, now to file. Go to file. You see new project. New project, are you there? Go to file. Those ones that have their R Studio already. See where I am now. I'm in my R Studio. Go to file. New project. Yes, click on new project. This one is asking me to save my current. Okay, let me save it first. Click on that new directory. Click on new directory. You can wait for me there. Let my own come up. Now you click on new directory. Click on new project. New project. Now you can see directory name. Now you can type data science training or DS. DS underscore training. Now, once you do that, you go to browse. Click on browse. Go to desktop. Look for data science training. Look at mine here. Data science training. No. Wait. Have you created the folder? Desktop, click on it. Now search. Look at it here. Click on it. Good. Don't do any other thing. Wait for me. Okay. Good. Have you seen it? I still downloading. No problem. Okay. Now you can click open. You can click open. Once you click on that data science training, you click open. Then click create project. Then you wait for it to open. You can check your download for those ones that are still downloading. Okay. Okay. Now, if you want to check if you are in your present working directory, now look up here. What do you see in your own? Good. Now, if you want to check, another way to check it is writing the code get WD. WD means working directory. Now, one of the reasons why I like RStudio, once you type any code without completing it, it will show you a drop down of the possible code you want to type. Yeah? Just use your mouse, click on it, or you just click enter. Get WD, meaning get working directory. Then click Control Enter. Control Enter. If you click enter, it will just take you to next line. But if you click Control Enter, it will run the code for you. Look at this. Yeah? Look at it. This is the script. Get W. Now you can see my working directory. You split it here. This is your script area. Now, look here. Click here. See the script area. Okay, observation, watch. By default, once you open RStudio, your script area is closed. Yeah? It looks like this. Only the console will show up. So what you do, just go up here, that icon there, and split it. Have you seen it? So this window here is the script window where you write your script, where you write your code. Yeah? This one here is the console where you get your results. Now, if I import data, it will go to this environment. This is where you see your data. Once we start doing importing data and exporting data, this is where you see it. Now, if I save a variable, if I assign a variable to any value or create any object, I will still see it in the environment window. Are you following? Now, if I plot anything, bar chart, pie chart, histogram, I'm going to see it here. Are you following? And again, packages. If you want to install packages, you just click on packages. It is still loading. So for your working directory, we are in the right track. Look at it. Desktop, data science training / data science training. Yeah? So we are in the what? Right track. Now, if someone gives you work to do, or if I give you assignment, just create a file inside this working directory. Are you following? You create a file inside this working directory. To do that, you just go to File, New File. Have you seen it? Yes, go to File, New File. That's how to create a file. Now, so we have gotten our working directory, and we have exercise to do under arithmetic operators. We have exercise to do under arithmetic operators. We are starting with exercise 1. Calculate the sum of 5 and 3. That means you have to write the code 5 plus 3. Then click enter. I say you have to type the code 5 plus 3. Then click Control Enter. If you click Enter, it will take you to next line. If you click Control Enter, then it will display the result. Okay, let's start the exercise. Now, we are going to start. If you want to write a comment in RStudio, use the hashtag. Then the shortcut for it. You know, some keyboards, you have this, what is it called? US keyboard and UK keyboard. US keyboard, the hashtag is not at 3. Whilst UK, the hashtag is at 3. I think something like that. Now, because of that confusion of where your hashtag is, because some people will not see their own at that number 3 keyboard. Because of that confusion, I'll have a shortcut for it. Ctrl-Shift-C. You can write it down. Ctrl-Shift-C. To comment anything, Ctrl-Shift-C. Okay, let me switch to R. I think, let me copy this first. Let me copy all of them, then drop it in my R script. Ctrl-C. Then go to RStudio. Here in my scripts, I'll just type Ctrl-V to paste. Now, anyone I want to run now, I will comment the question first. Then under it, I will solve it. Now I'm in line 2. Line 2. Line 2 says, exercise 1, calculate the sum of 5 and 3. Yeah? I will just type Ctrl-Shift-C. Have you seen it? The color has changed. It is now a comment. Yeah? What I will do now, I will click enter to go under the comment and type 5 plus 3. Now, if I click enter, it will take me to the next line. But I want to display the result. So what I will do is to click Control Enter. Control Enter. Now you can see the result here. 8. Calculate the sum of 5 and 3. 5 plus 3, 8. Now, another observation here. In this exercise, in this table first, look at this table. Can you see square root there? Is there any square root? But you can see exponentiation. Good. This is where your knowledge of math comes into play. That exponentiation, you can use it for square root. I'll still show you how you can do that. It's just one of the laws of indices you will use in mathematics. Okay. Okay, let's continue. Your square root, cube root, fourth root, fifth root, till nth root of any value. You make use of that exponentiation. We still get there. Let's continue with the exercise. Let's continue with the exercise. Okay, the second question, subtract 7 from 12. I will just comment it first. Control Shift C to comment. Okay, then I will go under it. 12 minus 7. No, just place your cursor on it. Like, look up here. Here. Control Shift C. But if I want to comment all of them, I will highlight. Control Shift C. Have you seen it? All of them, nice. Let me just leave it all of them like this, then start working line by line. I have 12 minus 7. Control Enter. Remember, if you click Enter, you go to next line. Look at it. So use Control Enter. You see the result down there? Oh, wait. Control Enter. Good. Then number 3. Exercise 3 says, multiply 4 by 9. 4. Asterisk number 8. Just Shift 8. That's where you get this multiplication symbol. That star. Yeah? Shift 8. 4 multiplied by 9. Control Enter. I have 36. Now the next one. Divide 24 by 4. 24. You know where your division sign is? Slash. Forward slash. Forward slash. The one that share the same key with question mark. (24) divide 4. Control Enter. I have 6. Okay. Someone should do exercise 5 for us. Exercise 5 will give us what? Raised, explanation of 2 raised to the power of 4. 2 raised to the power of 4. Is that what you're... If you are getting 8, you are wrong. Good. 2 raised to power. Let's see it. You can see your power in number 6. Number 6. Shift 6. Have you see the symbol? You can get it in number 6. 2 to the power of 4. Control Enter. 16. Have you seen it? Oh yeah, someone should do exercise 6. Find the remainder, not the value, the remainder of 17 divided by 5. You know the symbol to use? Exercise 6. No? Look at the question there. Find the remainder of 17 divided by 5. Is that what the R is giving you, or you are guessing? Which symbol are you using? Remainder, modulus. Use the percentage symbol. Percentage symbol. Percentage. 17%, 5. You are supposed to get 2. Let's do it. Divide 17. 17 divide. So I will use percentage, which is at number 5. Shift 5. 17%, 5. Control Enter. Unexpected input. Okay, wait. Okay, sorry. It's double. The percentage, you double it. Let me go back and correct that. Thank you. The percentage here, you double it. It's not single. Yes. Yeah, you get 2. Want to clean this? Control F or this broom. Just move over that broom. You see the shortcut. Display. Okay, nice one. Okay, nice one. Okay, you're still done. What of the studio? Are you done with it?
Well, you said after this one. That's
No, you just download the studio. Let the two move the same. Then you go to desktop and create folder. while waiting for all those ones. Okay. Wait. No, go down. Studio. Okay. Now someone should do the. Okay, let me. The next question. Exercise 7 says, perform integer division of 17 by 5. Now you are meant to get 3. Look at the symbol here. Percentage division percentage. Percentage division percentage. That's the symbol. Okay. So you are meant to get 3. Finish. Finish. Then do the same thing. Anything that show up, yes. Next. Finish. My screen can't be reached right now. Check internet connection. What's happening? Yes. Next. Click next. Next. And stop. Abia. Okay. The next exercise. Exercise 7. So you say your answer is what? 3. Good. Good. I have 3. Okay. The next one, calculate the sum of 2, 5, and 7. This one is simple now. Just plus all through. 2, 5, and 7. What do you get? Through enter. 14, that's correct. So in anything you are doing, you start from the known to unknown. That's why you are starting with the basic mathematics. Yeah? Maybe in our next class, we'll be looking at writing function that we do these things. Instead of using plus symbol, you just type add, bracket open, 2, 3, it gives you 5, stuff like that. Okay, 2, 5, 7, control enter, 14. Good. Now, the next one, look at the next question. Exercise 9 says, subtract 3 from the result of 12 multiplied by 2. Now, in this case, you have to make use of your math skill, board mass. I think that's what you call it. Do it, tell me the answer. You are sure? So which one do you do first? Have you clicked finish? Go here. ROS. Arrow studio. You don't need to complete it, just ROS. You see this thing show up. Click OK. Yeah. Okay, no plan idea, just okay, next, okay. So what do you get? Okay. Any different answer? Minus 21. What do you get? Okay, you're not seeing. The question is subtract 3 from the result of 12 multiplied by 2. Have you created the project? Okay. Yes, another shortcut from what I said earlier. Yeah. I see it. Type get WD and check whether you are in the same track. Get. See, and leave it. You see it have shown up. Okay, type W. Okay, that's it here. Go. Control Enter if you want to run any program to display your results. Control. You didn't type it well. Wait. Hold control before you click enter. Don't remove your hand. You are not in the same. This is still in documents. It's still in documents. Look. New directory, new projects. Yeah, first class. You can type it first class. First class. FIRO. First underscore class.
browse. Like I just that installed desktop there. Open. New create project. Akobundu.
Okay. Are you done with the next one? Divide the sum of 15 and 8 by 2. Yeah? Divide. Wait, exercise. Have you done exercise 9? 9. Subtract 3 from the result of. Okay, the result of 12 by 12. Result of 12 multiplied by 2. So you first of all put in bracket 12 multiply by 2. Then you're asked to subtract 3 from it. Okay. Remove. So from this result, I'm removing 3. Yeah? From this result, 12 multiplied by 2, I'm removing 3. Control Enter. 21. So how do you get minus 21? You put 3 minus. No. Okay. The problem here is not even the mass. It's the English, not the mass. Look at the question again. Subtract. That's okay. Let's substitute that in from remove. Instead of subtract, say remove 3 from the result of this times this. Do you understand it now? So I'm removing 3 from the result. The result of 12 times 2 is 24. Now remove 3 from that result. What do you get? 21. Good. Sometimes the challenge is not the mass, it's the English. Next line. You understand the question? Divide the sum of 15 and 8 by 2. So what are you going to do first? Calm down. The question is, what are you going to do first? Good. Since you do that first, you put it in bracket. 15 plus 8. Divide the sum of this and this by 2. So divide /2. Let's see. 11.5. Do you understand? Huh? Okay, the next one. Look up. Calculate the exponentiation of 3 raised to the power of 2 and then multiply the result by 4. And then multiply the result by 4. Then go to the next line. Now do it. Tell me what you get as your result. 36. Any contradictory results? Any 100 and? Okay, this is where the concept of board mass comes into play. From the question, that first one, you have to put it in brackets, meaning that R will focus first, the bracket, before the next operator. Get your pen. Just write board mass. Let's look at. Let's look at something. Just write board mass. Yes. It's 4.
Multiplication come first. Addition next. Subtraction last of division number. Tab bracket first. The thing number 1. Infinity. Liana multiplication of divisor. Something na bracket over and divisor. Mana the other one na link division divisor. That first one only.
Okay, what do you get? What do you get? 36. Any different answer, sir? Okay. Get WD. Get working directory. Open and close. Control enter. Okay, now another thing. Look up. Another thing. Instead of using that cap as your exponentiation, right? You multiple multiplication twice. Let's try it. Look up. Instead of using this thing, link it shift 8 2 times. Right? We'll see if you can get 36 again. Control enter. Can you see it? So instead of using, you can use either this or that single cap. You get? Do you get it? Okay. Mm-hmm. No, what I replaced there is just the cap. Yes. So either you use the cap or use double multiplication as your raised to power. Yes. Welcome. Now the next one, exercise 12. What's the answer? Any different answer to that? Find the remainder of 23 divided by 7. 23 divided by 7. The remainder is what? I don't need the result like
part of the result, which is the remainder. That's what I need. Two. Any different answer? Any different answer? Everybody is getting 2. Ma, what do you get 2? Don't worry, I will share the material in the group chat. Okay. $23 percentage 7 2. Correct. Okay. The next one, what do you get? 8. Any different answer? Perform integer division of 25 by 3. 25 by 3. Integer division 25 by 3. Exercise 13. Exercise 13. What do you get? Look at the symbol here. See it here. Integer division. Double percentage with division sign in between them. Double percentage with division sign in between them. Once you master the symbols, you are good to go. The question: perform integer division of 25 by 3. 8. Different answer? Any different answer? Is there anybody getting 100 or 1000? Okay, let's do it. 25. Shift. Then put division sign in between them. 3. Control enter. 8. Good. Are you done with the other ones? The one was supposed to be true now. Just be telling me the answer. Calculate the sum of 11, 8, and 4. Calculate the sum of 11, 8, and 4. What do you get? Good. 23. Is somebody getting 123? Plus 8 plus 4. Control enter. 23. Correct. And the last one, subtract 2 from the result of 9 multiplied by 3. From the result of 9 multiplied by 3. Remove 2 from it. That's what the English is telling us. Multiply 9 and 3, then remove 2 from the results. Okay, let's do 3 more problems under square root, cube root, and fourth root. Now look at this. Look at this. Let me put my comment first. calculate the cube root of 27. Calculate the cube root of 27. Calculate the cube root of 27. Okay, your calculator, from your calculator, cube root of 27 is what? Like, you don't need to write the program because you will not get it. That's what I want to tell you now. But from your normal calculator, what is the cube root of 27? I need the answer, cube root of 27, answer. No. Cube root. What are you going to multiply 3 times to get 27? That's the question. 27? If you multiply 27 by 3, if you are getting... No. Cube root is different from cube. What are you going to multiply 3 times? Okay, now let's look at 3. Yes, 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3, 27. Let me do it here. Just watch. Look up 3 times 3 times 3. Right? 27. Now the question is, find the cube root of 27, meaning that you are going to get 3 as our answer. Now, how do you write the code? That's what I'm asking. Now, look at it here. Now, the n power of cube root, once you get the word cube root, you will raise it to the power of 1 over that number. 1 over that number. Now watch the screen. See what I will do. Let me clean up this. Remember, I'm going to get 3 as my result. Cube root of 27 means 27 raised to the power. I'll put it in bracket 1 over 3. This fraction is the difference. Yeah? Now let's run it. What do you see? Good. That fraction there in brackets, that's the difference. Now look at 27 raised to the power 3. 27 raised to the power of 3. Yeah. Are you seeing the difference now? Yeah? Cube root. This one is cube root. Yeah? This one now is cube root. While this one is cube. Do you get it? Number 6, shift 6. That's that hat. Now if you replace it with multiplication sign twice, that's star 2 times, you still get the same result. Control enter. Do you get it? Huh? Okay. No. I only use that too. Yes. The answer is, look at where the answer lies, this fraction. The word cube means 3 now. So the root is the fraction, 1 over, the reciprocal of 3. Yes. I will share the slide. It's the symbols here. You see it. I will still share the slide in the platform. Right? And I will also give you assignment on it so that you can master it. Do you get? Yeah, thank you. Okay. Another one is find the fifth root of wait. Fifth root of 32. Fifth root of 32. So good is 2. Look at it here. Fifth, 105. So you write 32 raised to power instead of 5. Since there is root attached to it, well, it will be the reciprocal of 5, which is 1 over 5. Control enter. Can you see it now? It's 2. Because I'm loading assignment to loading, not small, I'm loading it. Because that's the best way to learn. Practice, 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 practice. To get to a point, you don't need to look at the material before you write any code. Okay. Any other question? We are done with cube roots, the nth roots, not just cube root, nth roots. Meaning that if you are asked to find the 20th root of a value, just write the value raised to power 1 over that root, that value. Once you see root, it means 1 over. Yes. Do you get it now? So we are done with these class activities, meaning that you have mastered all these arithmetic operators, and if I give you assignment based on these arithmetic operators, you can do it. Yeah? Good. Okay. The next one we are going to look at is assignment operators. Assignment operators. To assign something. To assign. Remember earlier I said if you create any object here, you get it here at the environment. Are you following? And if I import my data, you also see it here, environment. Yeah? For now, I have not assigned anything, I have not created anything, I have not even imported data yet. That is why it is showing what? Empty. That means my environment is empty. Now, over here is my packages. All the machine learning packages, I have it here. I will still drop it. Now, before we move on, let me show you how to install package. You can use code. Install.packages. Yeah? Install. Once you type install, you see it here. Look at it. You use the first one. Install.packages. But this is long process for me. Just move over here. Can you see the screen? See where my cursor is. You see install there. Beside it, you see update, green in color, install, blue, somewhere blue. Yeah? Just click on that install. Click on that install. Now what do you see? Install packages, install from repository, crime.
Do, yeah? They will now send it to this our platform. So if anyone wants to download it or use your package, you just go over here. You see this space here. Now type tidy verse. That will be our data cleaning package. Our data cleaning package. Let's download it. And make sure your internet is active because it uses internet. Let's start again. Let's start from the beginning. Look up from here. Click install. Click install. Yeah? Then you see this space here. Yeah? Just type tidy. Once you are typing, the drop down will show up. Yes, tidyverse. Okay, it's like the internet is not, that's why. But once it's connected online, once you type tidy, every package that have the name tidy will drop down, all of them. All. Yes, the tidy inverse. When we tidyverse, sorry. Yeah. When we start our data cleaning, that's what we are going to use. You can also use a tidyr, but that tidyverse have other sub packages under it, like ggplot2 for plotting your graphs, your lubridate for handling columns with date. Okay. So that's how to do it. If you have, just click there, then click install. Tidyverse, click install. I have it already, so no need to download it again. Yes. You will see red icon. Don't click on that red icon. No. If you click on it, it will stop.
First of all, maximize this so that you will see the full screen and know where you are. Huh? You didn't do any of our. Okay. In case if you want to go to packages, these are base packages. Now you go over here, install tidy verse. Don't know if the spelling is correct, but once the internet connection is strong, once you type tidy v, drop down will show. You see the tidy verse there. Then click install. You see to show you the code, install.packages in quotes. So it's installing. Okay. Okay. Now let's continue. Okay. Now let's look at the other part of the operators, which is the assignment operator. Now, see what you do for me. Yeah? Look at this. It's not saved. It is called untitled 1. Yeah? Now, I want you to save it with arithmetic operator. That's our first exercise. So to do that, just click on Save here. Save current document, Ctrl S. This, either you type Ctrl S or you just click there. Now once you do that, it will show up this box. Now you type arithmetic operator, class 1. Arithmetic operator. Class 1. Okay. So if you want to look into what we have done so far, yes, just once you're done, click Save or OK. Now, instead of untitled, you can now see the name. Arithmetic operator class 1.
So you can save this one as assignment operator, because that's where we are going to round it up. Assignment operator. Yes, new file. Yes, the new file, the name is assignment operator. Just click on save or Control S. It will show you that dialog box. Look at it here. Then come over here. Assignment operator. You said? Assignment operator. Okay. Now, what do you notice? Look up here. This place is our working directory. DS training. So any file you save, you see it in the working directory. So instead of you to start looking for your work, just go to your folder at that desktop, click there, it will take you to R. Simple. Okay. This logo. File. Look at the extension. Extension is .r. Maybe you change yours. It is .r. That's the extension. Because once it's like this, once you can see the icon, you don't need to open R from the beginning. Just go over here and click it. It will come up. So I will click save. Arithmetic operator, save. Now, if you want to save anything, or you want to assign anything in R, yeah? You make use of less than minus. That's the popular assignment operator we use. Less than minus. Now, due to its popularity, R has a shortcut for it. Now look up. Let me give you one example. Look at this. I have student. I will type alternate minus. That's how I got that symbol. This is one of the assignment operator. Now, this assignment operator is just less than minus. That's how to write it. But because of its popularity and it's mostly used instead of equal sign, R gave it a shortcut for it. Because some keyboard, you start looking for where your less than is. You understand? Just the way you do comment. Some people don't know where their hash is. So they created shortcut for it as Ctrl-Shift-C for comment. Now this one now, being the assignment operator popularly used, instead of you to start looking for less than in your keyboard, just type hold alternate minus. Now this student is a list of my students. If I want to join all of them, I will use C. C means to concatenate. That's to join everything. Yeah? Something like this. C, bracket, open. Now, in R, we have what we call data type. Any English word. In fact, anything that is not number. Once that thing is not number, it's character. Are you following? We have integer. We have character and others. Now, I'm interested in names. So we are going to close here. You tell us your name. I will write it. I will start with my name. I am Chinaza. So any English word, you put it in quotes. Chinaza. Can you see it now? The Chinaza is in quotes. Either you use double quotes or single quotes. Anyone? Comma? In quotes. Sir. Ozochukwu. Let me put it in short. Because of... Brother. In quotes. Onye. Next. In quotes. Next. Onyinye. Nanye. We put it noni. In quotes. Next. Next. JS. Next. That one is short already. Any other one? Okay. Now, look at this. I assign this to students. If I run this now, you're going to see this thing here. Now, to do that, you say Control Enter. Have you seen it? Student, Chinaza, Ozo, Onye, Tonia. You see it? Now, you can just type student. Obviously, I'm not done typing. I'll just pop it up. Yeah? Just click on it, Control Enter. Have you seen it? Look at the names of students that attend today's class. So that's it. But if it is a number, let's say age, alternate minus C, $20. Now, if you look at this, I'm not putting it in quotes because it is a figure, not English word. 21, comma, 23, comma, 24, comma, 28, comma. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30, 33, 32, 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No. Let me remove 1. Okay. If I run this, have you seen it? H. Now, these things here is being arranged in alphabetical order. The first one I store there is students. But the H, which is starting from A, will come first. Have you seen it? Good. Now, if I type H, okay. Just once you assign this, look at the assignment operator you're looking at. Less than, minus. And I say that the shortcut for it is alternate minus. Hold alternate key, then click minus. No, it will assign this. Then you write distance. C means to concatenate. That's to collect. Yeah? All this. And assign it to H. Now, if I type H, I see those numbers there. Yes. No, I'm not the one. It's R that did that. Just assign it and it will keep it here. Small letter C, please. Not capital letter C. That C there is small letter. You have not run it now. If you run it, the answer, this thing show up here. Control E. Just start from where we assignment students. Have you installed any package? Less than minus C, small letter C. Small letter. Then bracket it. Okay. You can just stop here if you are tired of typing. Control Enter. Yes, wait. Students. Why is the O not? Small letter C. Small letter C. You are still downloading a package. Once you stop, you see this thing here. Okay. So at this point, now let's say look up. Let's get the mean of this age. Mean age. Can see the mean of the age. Now, if you want to know the number of students here, use length. Students. So I have 8 students. That's what it means. If you count it, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So length gives us 8. For now, what we are looking at this assignment operator is not vector or data structures. So in our next class, in our next meeting, we look at the logical operators and the special operator. Now, if you look at this special operator here, this one here, which is known as colon, we use it to generate sequence. Use it to generate sequence number. Let's say I want to generate number from 1 to 20. I just write 1 colon 20. Now see what happened. Have you seen it? So this is special operator. Instead of you to write it this way, you can use the operator function seek. Look at it here, it has showed up. Seek 1 to 20 stuff. That's it. Now another one is this operator. We use this one in data frame. During our data cleaning, you will see this very operator. You will see it. Then this one is for matrix. If you want to multiply two matrices together, use this. Instead of normal multiplication, you quote them with percentage. Percentage asterisk percentage. Okay? I will share this material in the platform. You see it. Your first assignment, go to Posit Cloud and sign up. Posit Cloud. Look at it here. Just go there, sign up. Make sure you have an account there. Posit Cloud. POSIT. I will still drop the link. I will drop the link in our WhatsApp group there. Look at mine. I have an account there already. You can see my name there. Henry Gwebe. Posit.cloud. Just sign up there with your email. It's not difficult. It's free. What we are using there is free version, although it has paid version. So if I give you assignment, you do, and send me the link. I will come over here and look at the assignment. Do you understand? So everybody must have account here. You must have account. Now let me open one. Let me open this one. This is where I perform data cleaning. It is loading. Let me refresh it. Okay. But once you open it, you see something like this. Exactly, RStudio with white background. Yeah? With the 4 windows like this. Then you run your assignment and save. I will send the material, the assignment. I think that's the 2 things I will send for now. The material and the assignment. Okay, any question so far? We are done. Ask question. Okay. Yes. No, the comment is to tell you what you want to do. It's not. No, the comment is like telling someone, take this direction if you reach this junction. That signpost you are seeing, that's what comment is here. The signpost, like, the R will not run it. No. What it will run is your normal code. That's why inside the console, you also see it as comment. Yes, you also see it as comment. No. Just like if I want to add two numbers, I will say comment add two number. Then I will come under it and do the addition. So that someone who is reading the code, you know from the comment what you are trying to do there. Okay? No, comment is the hash. This the way you keep this keyboard. If I want to comment this, hold Control, hold Shift, hold C. Hey, just once. Sister. Control Shift C. That's it. I've seen it. Just the R will not run this code. Now, as you have seen it like this now, if I press Control Enter, you still see it that way here. This thing is still loading. Okay, yes. That's the advantage of using the server. Because this thing now you are seeing in your desktop, you not get that here. Sometimes it's from the settings, your system setting. You can do it if you go back to the house, you can remove and download it back. But once you remove it, the files will still remain. Yes, the files will still remain. It will not affect the files. I will drop everything in the group chat. Yes. Go to your email. You are doing your assignment inside the class. Okay, any other questions so far? Okay. Yes, it's because you are downloading a file, a package. Yes, look at it here. This symbol. Once this symbol disappears, you run this, it will show up here. Any other questions so far? I use Python, but for this training we are using R. Yes. In Python, you run neural networks. That's part of the data science thing. And it is more flexible. More flexible when you want to run such algorithms than R. But the two of them, both R and Python, they have the biggest community and they also easy to learn. They are the two programming language that use simple English. R and Python use simple English. You can learn it on your own and understand it. There is nothing like console dots. I don't know who you are consoling. So the two language use simple English. Do you understand? Any other question? You can Any other questions so far? So at this junction, okay. So you get my message in the WhatsApp group. Both the link, the material, and the assignment. These three. Our next class is when? Friday. Yes, 10 to 12. So you have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to do your assignment. Anything assignment. The first assignment is to create that account. I also drop a short video on how to use that server, our server, because it's slight difference. The difference is not that big, just slight. It's, I think, 3 minutes video, 3. Any other? And I don't know you people, you have to introduce yourself. Yes, now. Introduce yourself. Your file will still remain. It will not affect it. It will not affect it. Your file will still remain. Like previously, before now, I used version 3.6. Yes, I don't. I used version 3.6 before now. Then I uploaded to version 4.4.2. That's CRAN, no? Comprehensive Archive Network. No, just write the name of your package you need. Click install. That space there. If you have internet connection, you don't need to complete the